My name is Danny Mizrahi, founder and CEO of Contango IT. About 20 times a month, I get the same question. You're an award-winning app building company. I have an idea for an app. And about 20 out of 20 of those times, that's where the conversation ends. But once in a while, there is a good idea. So we have to ask the question, to build or not to build. So we start at the top. Does the app exist? Why or why not? If it does exist, sorry, now I'm getting a call, so I shouldn't take notes on my phone. Does it exist? If it does exist, is it making money? How will you compete? What are your competitive advantages, unique selling propositions? Is yours easier to use? Does it have more features? If it doesn't exist, why doesn't it exist? Play devil's advocate. Is the target market not big enough? Someone else will come up with this idea and go through that path and it's not going to work? Or is there a possibility that copycats are going to come out and beat you to it? So branding and logos and trademarks are all part of intellectual property. Technology is really hard to copyright. So the best way to make sure that it doesn't happen is quick market domination. And what's your end goal? Is this an ancillary to your own business? Is it going to be a new business? Is it a tool to help you run your current business? What are the goals for this app and how much are you willing to spend on this app? And we've made all these types of apps and they're made for all different purposes. The money questions. How will you make money? Is it a subscription-based model? Is it a one-time purchase? Is it free and you're going to get advertising or in-paid purchases, in-app purchases? Is it a freemium app where all of a sudden you're going to upgrade to a premium app? Is it an exit play where you're going to build up a user base and then you're just going to sell it, hopefully for millions of dollars? And that leads to user adoption. How are you going to get users? Is it so good that if you build it, they will come? And think Twitter, Instagram, etc. Or do you need to buy the users? Think Uber and Via, etc. Are you going to have to pay for promo codes? Are you going to have to pay the drivers in advance? And that's what's called a burn rate. So is your app going to have a burn rate? And why do they call it a burn rate? Because you're just going to burn money away month after month after month. So who's your investment team, and are you going to be able to afford to acquire those users? So you've decided, now I know I could build this thing, I have a great idea, we're going to be different, etc. So how do you build this? So a lot of people